Hey you guys, this is Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group here at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln today for our Facebook Used Vehicles of the Week. We have 3 vehicles actually under $10,000 that I want to go over with you. So our first one is going to be an 07 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. It was a local trade. The exterior color is a sunset pearl. This vehicle does have 104,000 miles on it and the price is $6,995. So our second one is going to be right over here. It is a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. It was one owner, local trade. It is in a bright silver metallic. The interior color is a gray cloth. The mileage is 116,000 miles and the price is $9,995. And then our third and last car for Oxmoor Ford is a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze T2LT. It was a local trade, does have leather interior. The exterior color is a Summit White. The interior color is a beige. The mileage is 109,000 and this vehicle price is $7,995. So these are 3 vehicles that we did just take in. If you guys have any questions or would like to stop in, take one for a test drive, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 502-426-2500 or visit our website at oxmoorflm.com and I'll have the links below. Thanks you guys. Bye.